Hi there folks, it's Jonathan Denwood here from WP-Tonic, and in this video I'm going to be giving some advice about how to find your niche and build your first membership website at the beginning of 2025. It's a really important subject, got a load of knowledge in this area. I think you're going to find this video really useful. I'll be back in a few moments, folks. So you need to find the right niche to build your first membership website. Now, obviously, you should have some knowledge, some experience in a particular industry or a particular hobby, music, whatever it is. Obviously, you need to have the knowledge to be able to help people. But the other factor is you really got to find the right niche. And that will be one of the key factors that will enable you to get the wheel rolling, as I say. Too broad a category and trying to appeal to too broad a target audience will be the death of the person trying to build their first course and get some initial success. If you avoid that, you are increasing the possibility that you will have a successful initial, what I call soft launch. Now, so it's finding the niche. The great thing is because there's a lot of Facebook groups, Discord, Slack, engagement on LinkedIn, on a number of web-based platforms, community-focused platforms. It's really easy to observe and see what are the problems people are talking about in the particular niche, and really getting insight about how you can move the niche that you are thinking about and get it even to a micro level niche, as I call it. Um, Obviously, you can take that too far, but in the 6 to 8 years I've been helping people, I've never. I think there's only been one occasion that I was a little bit concerned about, that it was such a small niche that it couldn't be profitable. But in the bulk of people that I've spoken to, they are still trying to appeal to too broad a category, a niche. So doing that is, and joining groups and writing down extensive notes about what are the problems people are having, how you could formulate your first course to solve those initial problems. It will control the verbiage that you will have on the home page and on the key landing pages of your website. It will control the course content. Doing that initial research is one of the most important things. And a lot of people don't do this. They just, they have extensive experience and they want to build out what I call a war and peace course that's got multiple lessons, 20 lessons in it. It goes on for 20 hours. They throw in everything they know. And really, their initial audience don't really want that in the first place. And it really diminishes the prospect that people will finish the course and really get some end results. So I would strongly advise you not to do that. It also leads to paralysis. Um, a lot of people get sucked into the technology, in also the great technology that WordPress offers. It offers so much power and so much great plugins and technology. You can just get sucked into trying to build the most perfect platform, have extensive marketing automation in place where you don't even have your first student going through the course. That wants to be avoided. You want a laser focus about building the minimum viable course and really understanding that it's a soft launch. You want to offer, get a dedicated small student batch, offer them a great deal, get as much feedback from them about their experiences, modify the course based by the input that you get, and then move on. This is the way to really guarantee that you will have an initial launch, a soft launch. I hear a lot of people say, I've got a really big idea and this is going to be a big business. And this is fantastic. And some of them have achieved that. But you've got to break it down into digestible steps, steps that will lead to that final outcome. I could go on for ages about the strategies that you need to put in place to do that, to really have a successful launch of your first course. I've written an article, you find that link in the video description that goes into this in a ton of detail. I want this video to be a quick introduction to some of the key concepts. And then if you want to do a really deep dive, you can read the article. And then based on that, if you want to book a free chat with me, the link's on the WP-Tonic website and you can have a 30 to 45 minute chat with me. I'll see you soon, folks. Bye.